Welcome to your daily Techpresso. In today's episode, we'll cover Mark Zuckerberg's big plans for AI and advertising, a huge fine for TikTok over data privacy, changes to Apple's App Store rules in the US, Epic Games offering developers a new payment option, Microsoft making new accounts passwordless by default, and Google putting AI mode directly into search. First up, Meta's vision for advertising. Mark Zuckerberg recently described a future where Meta's AI systems handle everything for advertisers. This means AI could create ads, target them, and measure how well they do. Businesses might just need to tell Meta their goals and provide payment details. The AI would then create many different ads and run the whole campaign by itself. This idea could push traditional ad agencies aside. However, people in the ad industry worry about keeping brands safe and trusting Meta's own performance reports without checking them independently. Next, let's talk about TikTok. European regulators have fined TikTok $530 million. That's about $600 million. The fine is because TikTok sent user data from Europe to computer systems in China without proper permission. Ireland's Data Protection Commission found that TikTok broke EU privacy rules known as GDPR. They stated there were risks that Chinese authorities could access this personal data. This is one of the biggest fines ever under GDPR. It follows other concerns about TikTok, including a previous fine related to children's data. Moving on to Apple's App Store. Following a court decision, Apple has changed its rules for apps in the United States. Apps can now include links that send users outside the app to make purchases. This means developers in the US App Store can add buttons or links in their apps. These links can guide users to different ways to pay instead of using Apple's own payment system. Big apps like Spotify have already added these links. It's expected that others, like Netflix, might soon do the same for managing subscriptions. Also, in App Store news, Epic Games has a new offering for developers. It's called Web Shops. These are online stores hosted by Epic. Developers can use them to handle payments that start from apps, including those on iPhones. Web shops give developers a way to manage transactions for their software directly. This helps them avoid paying Apple's usual commission fee on purchases made inside apps. Epic is also making it more attractive by removing its own platform fee for the first $1 million an app makes each year. Now, let's shift to account security. Microsoft is changing how new accounts are created. New Microsoft accounts will not need a password by default anymore. Instead of using passwords, people setting up new accounts will be guided to use other secure methods. These include things like passkeys, notifications sent to an app, or special physical security keys. Microsoft is updating its sign-in look and strongly encouraging passkeys, saying users find them easy to use. Finally, let's look at search. Google is testing its AI mode feature in search. It's slowly rolling out to some users in the US. This feature appears under its own tab within Google Search. This AI tool gives direct answers generated by AI based on information Google has online. It's different from the AI Overviews feature already available. The AI mode also lets users save chats to look back at later. It includes visual cards that show key details about places or things you can buy. That's all for today's Techpresso. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you tomorrow for your daily Techpresso.